There's a strange silence that hits you the moment you check your bank balance and realize you've been working for years, but your savings barely whisper your story. You scroll through your expenses, the subscriptions, the spontaneous nights out, and it dawns on you that you've been building everyone else's dream except your own. I know that feeling. Years ago, I had a great job, a fancy title, and zero financial peace. I thought money was something to be earned, not protected. But that illusion shattered the day I realized my wealth wasn't defined by how much I made, but by how much I kept. The truth is, saving money isn't about deprivation. It's about power. Quiet, invisible power. It's the discipline that funds your freedom, your choices, your future. But the question that always confuses people is, how much should you save every month? The internet throws random numbers, 10%, 20%, 50%. But here's what nobody tells you. The right number is the one that doesn't let you sleepwalk through life. It's the amount that reminds you every single month that your future deserves a seat at the table today. When I first started, I saved 10% of my income. And honestly, it felt useless. It was like throwing a pebble into an ocean. But then I made one simple shift. I decided to save before I spent. I automated 20% of my income to leave my account the moment my salary hit. At first, it stung. But then, something changed. My brain adapted. My lifestyle adjusted. And my sense of control skyrocketed. Saving stopped feeling like a chore. It became a form of self-respect. But here's the emotional twist. Saving money isn't just about numbers. It's about identity. Every rupee you save is a vote for the person you're becoming. When you start seeing your savings grow, you begin to realize that your money isn't meant to impress others. It's meant to protect your future self. And when you see that balance climb, when compound growth starts to quietly work its magic, you'll feel something no luxury purchase can ever give you. Peace. I often say, saving is not about the amount, it's about the habit. Start with 20% if you can. If that feels too hard, start with 10%, but commit to increasing it every quarter. The goal isn't perfection, it's momentum. Because wealth isn't built in giant leaps. It's built in quiet, consistent deposits. And the beauty of saving is that it compounds not just in your account, but in your character. So tonight, when you get paid, before you buy anything, pay your future self first. Automate that transfer. Don't wait for motivation, build the system. Because one day, that small act of discipline will become your greatest source of freedom. Remember, money doesn't stay with those who earn the most. It stays with those who respect it the most. And the respect starts with one choice: to save. Not someday, but today.